Hey everyone, welcome to this 4-level split we just listed in Pineridge. It's listed at only $575 and you gotta see it. Follow me, let's take a look inside. So the living room here is huge. There's a massive window. It's got two sliders, so you're gonna get some breeze through there, especially when you consider, and by the way, all new flooring and stuff like that too. It's a beautiful room to share with family and friends. The dining room is right off of the living room, and it's got a newer vinyl window as well with a great big slider. So between that window and the living room windows, you're gonna get a great breeze through here. It's gonna be a nice place to hang out, have dinner, or play cards with your friends as well. But this is the best part. Check out this kitchen. Great new countertops. It's got maple shaker cabinets that go almost to the ceiling with a nice trim on the top. The appliances are all really good. They're all LG. The oven here is a double oven with an infrared grill. It's got an LG dishwasher. But really, gotta see this fridge. I've never seen a fridge like this before. But all you do is you just run your hand underneath it like this a little bit, and it opens by itself. So go ahead and grab your cranberry juice or your mustard. Same with on this side here. You open it up, and away you go. There's your pop, your ketchup, and everything else. They keep them at different temperatures. It's really, really an upscale fridge. It's made by Samsung, and it's a 4-door fridge. It's phenomenal. Upstairs, the same new flooring continues. And I think the same tile as in the kitchen is in the updated bath here as well. Looking inside the bath, there's a new tub, there's a new tile surround, new vanity, new toilet. Everything's been updated. And the master, which is big enough for a king-size bed, has this cool feature. It's got a cheater door into the ensuite bath, which is also the main bath. And there's 2 other bedrooms upstairs as well, for the kids or family, guests, whatever works for you. The 3rd level is massive. It's got, because it's a 4-level split, you actually get some really good daylight in here. There's a wood-burning fireplace, which is super cool, and plenty of room down here to put a pool table, a foosball table, anything like that, as well as a big sectional or a big comfy couch to watch your movies here. And then there's still one more level too. Down here, there's another fully updated 4-piece bath with, again, tile that goes to the ceiling, new tub, new toilet, new vanity, everything's there. And again, there's 2 bedrooms down here as well. So you have a total of 5 bedrooms. These 2 basement bedrooms, I think if you had kids in here especially, you'd probably want to make the windows a little bit bigger, but they are freshly painted. They got newer flooring. They're great, comfortable rooms. And there's also a laundry room down here and a storage room. And it's got, you're gonna love this, nearly new Samsung front-loading washer and dryer. You're also gonna find a chest freezer, which stays with the house. There's a newer high-efficiency furnace and a massive hot water tank. Before we go, I wanna mention the house also comes with a massive double garage. It's oversized. And here's something cool that you might not know. The fire hydrant is right here. And what that means is you can ask your insurance company, but you probably pay less insurance because the fire hydrant's closer to your house. I learned that on my house.